you have been a teacher since very long and आपके पास बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स पढ़े हैं. हम तो जब भी आपके पास आते हैं बड़े ही प्यार से आप बात करते हैं. तो हाउ टू मेंटेन दैट स्ट्रेस फ्री एनवायरनमेंट इन योर डिपार्टमेंट, और वो एक सैनिटी होती है ना, वो टेम्परामेंट, वो सब कुछ कैसे है कि बच्चा है ठीक है, उसको सिखाना भी है, डांटना भी है, लेकिन एक स्ट्रेस फ्री एनवायरनमेंट में, ताकि उसकी प्रोडक्टिविटी और क्रिएटिविटी वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बाहर आ सके.
Dr. Karthik, again, a very, very interesting question, I would say. You know, स्टूडेंट को अपग्रेड करने से पहले इस सिचुएशन में व्हाट आई फील इज दैट अ टीचर नीड्स टू अपग्रेड हिमसेल्फ. You know, gone are the days when I was a student. There were, I would say, let me say that there were no distractions, there were no, means social media, and there were very little of, my I would have, in 7 to 8 years of my stay in Lucknow, I think I have had phone calls with my parents only on 2 to 3 occasions. That was about all. Or we were, conversing through letters and all. So that was the only, communication with your patients, maybe with your, near and dear ones. And otherwise, for us, it was simply, college, library, projects, and that's about all. Now, we need to understand that world has changed since then. It's been, 3-4 decades have passed, and world has changed, 360 degrees. And so has our students, so has their commitments, so has their values, so has their, the way they spend their time. So one needs to be in tune with the times, and having understood the situation that now the stresses are far higher than what they used to be in our times. There's more hurry, there is more worry, and probably there is more curry also, as far as our students are concerned. They are eating out, that is why I said. So this deadly combination of hurry, worry, and curry actually puts a student under a lot of stress. Plus they are now, so much connected with their near and dear ones through this device called mobile phone, that even if we try to tell them to focus more on the other things, they still remain a little distracted, and it is understandably so. But you, as a teacher, you need to deal it with, gently. You need to understand, you have to go down to their level to understand their pulls and pressures, their, what their peers are doing to them. And obviously you need to, help them, guide them, soothe them in a way that their stress levels are reduced, and then they can produce their, best, they can give their best, and they will always be happy when you treat them like that. They will be yours forever.
Right, so
I tell you, this remains the only mantra. You have to get down at that level and then understand the situation. It can't be a situation where I sit on a high pedestal that I am a professor and the student is, at a lower pedestal. No, we'll both have to be at the same level, understand, and then teacher has to act accordingly to obtain the best output.